How to save Google Photos to gallery. We are going to know that how to save Google Photos to gallery. Before this, you have to install the Google Photos app from your Play Store. This feature can be applied on your phone and Android as well as on iPhone. Just you have to open the Google Photos app. Now, how to save the Google Photos to the gallery. Move to the desktop, select any of the photo which you want to add it to gallery, and here we will go and find in sharing option, or you can also find it on your desktop. Click on it. Now you can see here there is an option of three dots. You have to click on it. You also click on the download. If an option of appear that move it to your gallery, you have to select on it. That if that option is not available, then you have to click on the download. After downloading, this picture will be saved in your gallery. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Now we are going to move to the gallery. Here you can see here in gallery that photo is being saved in your gallery. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.